Hi, it's Jesse from Dirty Dog Farm. You might remember me from such incredible deals as giving you a free chest freezer when you order a half or whole cow share. And today we wanted to show you some of our process in packing your whole cow with a free chest freezer. So Jackson's gonna run through getting Leslie from New Jersey's order ready. Leslie bought a whole cow and she'll get a free chest freezer first, and then the cow will come out behind it and she'll have a full chest freezer full of grass-fed, grass-finished beef from Dirty Dog Farm.